2001 established RNS Institute of Technology, Bangalore is a private college with a NAC A grade affiliation with Visvesvaraya Technological University. It has an overall rating of 3.9 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Know more about the engineering courses offered here, starting with the 4-star rated placements. The 2023-24 placement season at RNSIT is in full swing, attracting top-tier companies such as Amazon, Cognizant, Tata Elxsi, Cerner, LTI, Accenture, Toyota, Bosch, and Capgemini, among others. While 821 offers have been secured so far, around 41% less than last year's 1,386, the outlook remains optimistic, with more opportunities expected as the process unfolds. The highest package currently stands at 26.65 lakh per annum. Talking about the median salary, it experienced a notable increase from 4.5 to 5.51 lakh per annum, marking a 22% growth. In comparison, BNMIT reports a median salary of 5.4 lakh per annum, while RNSIT slightly surpasses this with a median of 5.5 lakh per annum. As per students, placements are impressive, with around 90% of the students securing positions in prestigious companies. The dedicated placement staff, training programs, and a strong alumni network enhance student prospects, making the transition from campus to career seamless. Starting with the 6th semester, students dedicate 2 days a week to placement training. The top roles offered are that of GET, Associate Software Engineer, and Quality Head. In their third year, most students land internships with top companies such as Adobe, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Facebook, earning impressive stipends between 50,000 to 1.5 lakhs per month. RNSIT offers 9 BE specializations. For those passionate about computer science, RNSIT provides subspecializations in data science and cybersecurity. Additionally, the institute offers a BTech in the rapidly evolving fields of AIDS. To be eligible for admission, applicants must secure a minimum of 45% in 10+2 and a variety of entrance tests including state-level exams like COMET-K, UGET, KCET, as well as the National JEE Main are accepted. The KCET last round cutoff trend suggests that there has been an easier competition for CSE and information science in 2023 compared to 2022. However, for ECE, EEE, Mechanical, Civil, AIML, and Cybersecurity, the competition has become more challenging. The cutoff comparison with BNMIT reveals that CSE, ECE, EEE, and AIML are experiencing high demand at RNSIT. On the flip side, for students eyeing ISE and Mechanical, BNMIT emerges as the favored destination. Costs vary by specialization, ranging from 1 lakh per year for Civil to 7.5 lakhs per year for CSE. Shifting gears to the 3.8-star rated infrastructure. Students have praised RNSIT for its expansive campus and top-notch facilities. The library features modern infrastructure and classrooms that are equipped with projectors and comfortable seating. Specialized lab for hands-on learning and experimentation further enhances the academic experience. There are a total of 3 hostels. The hostel fees are around 1.2 lakhs per year, with rooms allocated on a 4-people sharing basis. Facilities like laundry incur additional costs. The mess serves quality vegetarian food, offering both North and South Indian cuisine options. RNSIT has 2 grounds for sports. There are also badminton courts, reflecting the college's strong emphasis on sports. RNSIT has received a rating of 4 stars on faculty and curriculum. Students highlight the good teaching quality, and instructors are approachable and go the extra mile to assist students. They also provide essential study materials and notes for exams. The curriculum is designed to prepare students for the industry, adhering to VTU guidelines and providing relevant industry exposure. RNSIT has received a 4-star rating in Campus Life. Let's take a look at what students have to say. RNSIT has various technical and cultural as well as sports clubs. The institute hosts a diverse array of events for sports to cultural programs. The highlights are the highly anticipated inter-college and intra-college fests, which draw significant excitement from students. RNSIT is currently unranked in the NIRF rankings. For more details on RNSIT and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.